Has your home been cold and drafty this winter? If so, it may be time to consider replacing your problem windows and doors. The team to call is Renewal by Andersen because they've declared February National Replacement Window Month. For more on why now is the perfect time to get your project done and help make your home more comfortable, let's bring in David Reber with Renewal by Andersen. David, thanks so much for being with us today.
My pleasure.
So for those folks who may not know Renewal by Andersen, you guys are the full service replacement window division of Andersen Windows, right?
That's right, Grace. Our parent company, Andersen's been making superior windows since 1903. As so many window companies have come and gone these days, Andersen is beginning its 119th year making windows and doors that last longer, function better, and look beautiful. And as its full service replacement window division, we provide an outstanding product and experience that customers have come to expect from the Andersen name.
That is amazing. So Renewal by Andersen doesn't sell vinyl windows, though. Why is that?
Well, because vinyl is just plastic. It's a weak, often softer material that over time can warp and crack when exposed to our weather extremes. When that happens, the window seals can fail and you get problems like leaks and condensation between the panes of glass. Vinyl seemed like a good material back in the 70s and 80s, but that's only because there wasn't anything better. With research and technology, today's window materials are greatly improved. And you wouldn't want to put a plastic door in your home, would you? So why would you put plastic windows in your home?
You guys made the decision to use Fibrex window material. Tell us about the research that went into making that decision and why it's the best.
Well, Fibrex is our exclusive composite window material. It's a unique combination of wood and thermal polymers. And it's 2 times stronger than vinyl. Plus, unlike wood windows, Fibrex is a virtually maintenance-free material, never requires scraping or painting. So our windows are remarkably durable and beautiful.
And of course, many of us worry about installing windows and doors in the winter because we don't want our home to be opened up to the exposed cold air out there. But that's not the case with you guys, is it?
Yeah, major concern. We have a special cold weather installation method that minimizes your home's exposure to the outside elements. First, we seal off the room we're working on from the rest of the house to minimize heat loss. Then we go room by room, removing and replacing one window or door at a time. And our certified master installers are so skilled, most installations are completed in just 1 day.
Wow, that is impressive. David, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
This month is National Replacement Window Month at Renewal by Andersen, and to celebrate, they do have a special deal on their windows and patio doors that you won't want to miss. Right now, save 20% on every window and every patio door, and with Renewal by Andersen's special financing, you'll pay nothing for 2 years. That's no money down, no payments, and no interest until February 2024. Plus, you'll receive an additional $100 off every window and patio door. This special offer ends on February 28th, so don't wait. Call 913-228-3311 today to schedule your free appointment.